China, one of the most technologically advanced countries, has always been ahead in major developments from architecture to electronics, or may it be a whole new invention. In fact, it is so ahead of its time that you can find robots walking around in restaurants and offices, serving you food or helping you with some logistics. The developments in transportation systems over the past few years have been massive. For any vehicle to cope with traffic, such as that present in the cities of New York, Beijing or Mumbai, is a constant hurdle, and there has always been a demand for a better alternative. With the increasing population and declining resources, even public transport is falling short of options. The Chinese company EHang Incorporated has come up with a revolutionary solution. The company, which is famous for its cinematography and survey drones, has now built the world's first passenger drone. It has launched the series of drones named EHang UAVs, like the Ghost and EHang hexacopter. But with the introduction of EHang 184 and EHang 216 passenger drones, the face of transport is about to change. EHang's research and development wing had been prepping up a variation of the passenger drone while the 184 was being tested. And in the year 2018, EHang unveiled its two-seater passenger drone, as well called the EHang 216. The 216 has 16 propellers and has already made a whopping 1,000 manned flights by July 2018 and flown a maximum range of 8.8 kilometers, 5.5 miles. These autonomous drones hold the capability to save hours on end, and since they are electric-powered vehicles, they are a boon to the environment as well. The prospects of the flying taxi coming to your city may look bright as the company plans on commercializing the 184 and 216 by late 2018 or at the beginning of 2019, and would soon take over the skies of its test cities of Nevada and Dubai. With the rapidly increasing momentum of its success, it wouldn't be long before the flying taxi drops by your city as well. Several companies like the Airbus, Intel, etc. are trying to conquer a similar feat, but the approaching production and test dates of EHang show us that it might just take a lead in this field. EHang 184 operates on the lithium-ion battery that accounts for much of the drone's weight. However, it provides enough power to carry a 220 pounds load up to 23 minutes at sea level. The maximum height it reaches is 500 meters with an average cruising speed of 62 miles per hour. EHang claims the drone is safe and has a full redundancy system. The vehicle can still operate a normal flight plan, even if one of the power systems fails. If the vehicle detects any malfunctioning, it will land in the nearest suitable area to ensure the safety of the passenger. Communication is encrypted, and every unit has its independent key to prevent the hijacking of the remote signal. The passenger inside the drone has no control over its route, since the drone is pre-programmed to fly to specific destinations. Passengers can choose to halt the flight in case of emergency. This drone costs between $200,000 and $300,000. Well, my fellow adventurers, we hope you enjoyed this thrilling journey through the world of the EHang 184, the first ever taxi drone. With its futuristic design, autonomous flying capabilities, and passenger-oriented features, this groundbreaking innovation is taking transportation to new heights. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for the future of urban air mobility. If you found this video as exciting as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling adventures. Feel free to share your thoughts on the EHang 184 in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming big.